I ran into this last week, so fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Orange to Bouygues, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Gather your information. Before starting the porting process, make sure you have your current Orange account details handy, including your account number and any PIN or password associated with it. Step 2. Request your Rio code. Contact Orange to request your Rio Relevant Identity Operator code. This code is essential for the porting process and can usually be obtained by calling 3179. Step 3. Sign up with Bouygues. This is a Bouygues store or their website to start the process of signing up for a new plan. During this step, you will need to provide your Rio code to initiate the number transfer. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. After signing up, Bouygues will confirm the transfer of your number. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. Keep an eye on your email or SMS for updates. Step 5. Test your new service. Once you receive confirmation that the porting is complete, test your new Bouygues SIM card by making a call or sending a text. If you encounter issues, restart your phone or check your network settings. Switching providers can feel daunting, but following these steps should help you transition smoothly. Good luck with your new Bouygues service.